RAV4 tailgate lower plastic removal. Take off the license plate. There's gonna be one more screw here, and then there's a couple of clips. After removing the license plate, there's clips here, and then you just pry it off. You have to also remove the spare wheel assembly housing. After removing the spare wheel housing, there are a few clips. 1, 2, and 3. Make sure you get spare ones because they're gonna be pretty old and they're gonna break. After removing the clips, just pry it out. Some clips on the inside will break. Be ready for that. This is where all the clips are. The way you remove these from the plastic is you just twist them counterclockwise, and they just remove from these slots here. These are where the clips go. You're gonna have to weld them back in, plastic weld them. Because they come off when you pry it out. This is how it is removed. Okay, hope it helps. Bye.